Yo, it's King. I'm at the Luti volleyball court, and right now it's a bit raining. It's so annoying. And I'm with Steven. Steven is doing some his test for passing a driving license. He's so serious about that. So we will see how he did it in about like 2 days. 2 days later, then he will go to do the examination and see whether he can pass it in 1 time or like me 2 times. So yeah, let's just leave him alone. And as you can see, the volleyball court right now, it's only about 20 people. And let's see if the rain is getting lighter and lighter. If hopefully there's no rain, we can come down there and play volleyball. And but if it's, the rain is getting heavier, then we will just decide to go to somewhere else. Who knows? Yes, that's it. If you want to play volleyball with me, please come to Luti. It's in Luzhou district, Taiwan. Yeah, that's it. See you guys tomorrow.